Imagine going to an Igbo home and you cannot name any food in Igbo. Can you say rice, egg, yam, or I am hungry in Igbo? If not, stay with me because today you will learn simple food expressions in Igbo. Taa, anyị ga-amụta aha nri na okwu gbasara iri nri n'asụsụ Igbo. Today, we will learn food names and expressions about eating in Igbo. Common food names. Food, nri, egg, akwa, rice, osikapa, yam, ji, beans, agwa, meat, anụ, fish, azụ, pepper, ose, palm oil, mmanụ nri, salt, nnu, bread, achịcha. Let's repeat it slowly for beginners. Nri, food, akwa, egg, ji, yam, ose, pepper. Useful eating expressions. I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am thirsty. Akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. Come and eat. Bịa rie nri. Have you eaten? I riela nri? Yes, I have eaten. Eriela m nri. No, I have not eaten. Mba, eribeghị m nri. Real life mini conversation. Person A asked person B, I riela nri? Have you eaten? Person B replies, Mba, eribeghị m nri. No, I have not eaten. Person A says, Bịa rie nri. Come and eat. Person B responds, Daalụ, thank you. Person A says, No, you are welcome. How do you say I am hungry in Igbo? Kamzaya. Let me answer. Agụụ na-agụ m. Now you know more food names and food expressions in Igbo. Little by little, your Igbo vocabulary is growing. Na nwayọọ nwayọọ ị na-amụta asụsụ Igbo. Slowly and steadily, you are learning Igbo. Which food do you love most? Comment the name in English and try the Igbo version too. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone learning Igbo. Also follow us on Facebook, Wada, Canada.